Cleaning up spills, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a practical and everyday English phrase that you might come across or need to use: cleaning up spills. This phrase is not just about the literal action but also carries important nuances in English communication. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and why it's useful in our daily lives. Cleaning up spills refers to the action of removing any liquid or substance that has accidentally been spilled over a surface. Spills can happen anywhere, at home, at work, or in public spaces. The key components of this phrase are cleaning up, which means taking action to make something clean after it has gotten dirty or messy, and spills, which are instances of liquid or other materials accidentally flowing or falling out of a container. Cleaning up spills is important for several reasons. Firstly, it's about safety. Spills, especially of liquids, can make floors slippery and pose a risk of falling. Secondly, it's about hygiene. Spills of food or drinks can attract pests or lead to unpleasant odors if not cleaned promptly. Lastly, it reflects responsibility and courtesy. By cleaning up after a spill, you show respect for the shared spaces and consideration for others who use them. 1. Assess the spill. Quickly determine what has been spilled and the best way to clean it. Some substances may require special cleaning agents. 2. Contain the spill. If it's spreading, try to contain it. For liquids, you can use absorbent materials like paper towels or cloths. 3. Clean and dry the area. Use appropriate cleaning materials to thoroughly clean the spill. Ensure the area is completely dry to prevent accidents. 4. Dispose of the waste properly. Make sure any used cleaning materials and the spilled substance are disposed of in a suitable manner. Always have cleaning supplies handy at home or in the workplace. If you're in a public place and can't clean up a spill yourself, notify someone who can, like a staff member. In English-speaking cultures, apologizing for causing a spill and taking immediate action to clean it up is seen as polite and responsible behavior. Cleaning up spills may seem like a simple task, but it's an action packed with implications for safety, hygiene, and social responsibility. By understanding the importance of this phrase and how to act on it, you're not only expanding your English vocabulary but also learning more about the culture and practices in English-speaking environments. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English is not just about words, but also about the actions and values they represent.